Let's start to learn fruits name. Apple. Apple means save. Mango. Mango means aam. Banana. Banana means kela. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Grapes. Grapes mean angur. Apricot. Apricot mean khobani. Strawberry. Strawberry means tute farangi. Cherry. Cherry means shadana. Kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit means dragon fruit. Pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar. Raspberries. Raspberries means rasbhari. Watermelon. Watermelon means tarbuza. Orange. Orange means malta. Melon. Melon means kharbuza. Papaya. Papaya means papita. Lemon. Lemon means limu. Pears. Pears means nashpati. Litchi. Litchi means lychee. Guava. Guava means amrood. Lime. Lime means limu. Blackberry. Blackberry means blackberry. Coconut. Coconut means nariyal. Custard apple. Custard apple means custard apple. Plum. Plum means aloo bukhara. Olives. Olives means zaitun. Fig. Fig means injeer. Grapefruit. Grapefruit means chakotra.